Meta's working on an AI pendant along with 4 more models of smart glasses. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. While Meta has yet to confirm it, it was pretty obvious that the company would start working on an AI pendant after it purchased Limitless, the maker of an AI device literally called Pendant, in 2025. Pendant is a clip-on Bluetooth microphone that listens and records everything you say or hear throughout the day, so it can provide summaries, transcripts, and a searchable database of conversations and things you record for yourself. The information reports that Meta's also planning to expand its AI glasses selection and launch a business-focused subscription service called Wearables for Work. The goal is to get more people to use the Meta AI model and make them pay for subscriptions. That includes subscriptions for Hatch, its unreleased consumer AI agent that's currently under development. Meta also plans to collaborate beyond Ray-Ban and Oakley for its smart glasses. According to Meta's VP publication, the company might release a new pair codenamed Modelo in June, along with Luna and RBM2 Refresh, which sounds like another Ray-Ban model to follow this fall. The last pair that Meta plans to release this year in December is called Mojito VIP, but the testing models, Artemis and SSG, are reserved for future releases. Of course, the new glasses will be powered by Meta's AI models, as well as the unreleased Hatch. Meta plans to sell 10 million wearables in the second half of 2026, not just by launching new products, but also making them available in more countries. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.